Hey kids, welcome back to Super Kids Toys. Today we're gonna play Guess What's Inside the Egg with safari animals. Can you guess all of the safari animals? Alright, let's get started with our first egg. It's a cheetah, one of my favorite animals. Look at the black spots on his body. Here's a fun fact. Did you know that the cheetah is one of the fastest land animals in the world? It can run 10 times faster than a human. Wow, that's amazing. I can't run that fast. Time to open our red egg. It's a lion. Did you know that lions are the king of the jungle? A lion roar sounds like this. Roar! Let's open our blue egg. I wonder what animal is next. It's an elephant. Look at its long nose. Did you know that elephants are the largest land animals in the world? Next is our purple egg. Our fourth animal is a tiger. Wow, look at all its black stripes on its body. Tigers are the largest cat in the world. How cool! Meow! We're almost done. Let's open up a yellow egg. It's a giraffe. Look how long its neck is. Did you know that giraffes are the tallest animals in the world? Here's a fun fact. Did you know that giraffes sleep while standing up? Incredible, right? How can you do that? Time to open up our orange egg. Wow, it's a hippopotamus. Look at its big mouth. Did you know that hippos love to be in the water? I bet they love to swim all the time. Time for our final egg. Can you guess the last safari animal? It's a zebra. Zebras have black and white stripes all over its body. Here's a fun fact. Zebras also sleep while standing up. Wow! Wow, look at all our safari animals. How many did you guess correct? Be sure to comment below with your answer. Wow, guys, I hope you had so much fun. Thanks for guessing with us at Super Kids Toys. Be sure to like and subscribe for more fun videos. Bye-bye.